Hey everyone, and welcome to our road trip. Devin and Fernie here.
Heyo.
Okay, this is day one of our road trip in an abandoned building that we just found, so I'm gonna show it off. Check it out. Our mission is a 3-week road trip across America. We're gonna pass through over 10 states. What are those states?
We're gonna go from California, which we're at currently, then we're gonna go up to Oregon, up to Washington, over to Idaho, Montana, bed to have sex on. Down to Colorado, Utah, Arizona, all those places.
One massive adventure. And why, you may ask? Because we can.
We saved up some money just from work and life, and we've decided, hey, let's just go do something fun that we'll remember forever.
Forever.
We'll film, we'll shoot photos, we'll enjoy ourselves, and that's what we're doing right now. Today is day 2, and it's super lit. Oh yeah!
That was lit. I just caught this thrift, Slipknot t-shirt from a,
Antique store.
Antique store. Vlog. Where are we, Devin?
We're in the middle of buttfuck nowhere and it smells like ass!
It does kind of
Stinky and hot. But I think it's rad that it's so stinky and so hot.
super lit. We've seen some good spots already, took some really great photos. Devin's a professional.
Still looks cool.
We're in California still.
Get the fuck up.
That's when we get hit. We found these sunflowers. It's really pretty in the lighting right now.
I'll be cutting in footage of photos and footage just from this.
I'm just shooting a lot of B-roll right now because everything's so beautiful. Live free, guys. You only have one life. I hope you treasure it. Life is precious. Treasure every moment. Don't let no one tell you you can't do anything, you know? Just go for it. Take a risk. Be happy. Be free. Spread positivity. Spread love. This is your life. This is your chance. This is your gift. Don't let negativity hold you down. Don't let depression keep you from doing things that you love. Life is beautiful. Seize the moment. Seize the day. Experience all that you can. Peace and love, guys. We were throwing little poppets at a little kid. It was Devin's idea.
I chased him down and threw a couple at his feet, like 10 feet away from him or something.
And then his mom drives up as we're buying more fireworks, and she's like, "Were you throwing fireworks at my kid?" And I was like, "No."
And we were just like, no.
We didn't do it. As we're getting more. Real quick, I'm gonna give you guys some tips and tricks that we do on our road trip to help us stay alive. I think I'm gonna do a whole video on this later, but for now, here are some things that we've been doing. One, we like to check out antique shops, Goodwill, anything like that. You can find gold. One man's trash is another man's treasure. Our sleeping situation. Devin figured it all out. We just fold them seats back and lay out a mattress.
I have
It's
this
really cool.
little practical joke I'm gonna play on Fernie. He's asleep in the car right now. I'm gonna wake him up with some fireworks. In the back of the seat, or in the back of the car, we can just sleep. It's free. We park places.
We just park somewhere, pull over to the side of the road, and just sleep in the car.
So far, we have never had any issues with doing so. Just be wary where you park.
DJ Baby Ben's in the house.
One tip I got, make sure you save your favorite songs into a playlist because you're gonna need those road trip jams, you know what I mean? Good music makes for a good trip, always.
Make sure they are downloaded because most places will be shoddy Wi-Fi and you want to save that data for
Or no
important
Wi-Fi.
things.
No Wi-Fi equals sad Fernie. I've never ever seen anything like this. Devin, what are you holding?
So I found this dead squirrel.
Dude, you're Logan.
It fell from way the fuck up there.
You're Logan Paul, bro.
It's got a skull injury.
Logan Paul in the canyon. Oh my god. You're fucking crazy.
God.
We got a stovetop. Devin had one gifted to him, so we be eating pasta out here. We can cook food.
Make sure to be able to wash your things, such as your, just use water and just wipes. Any kind of wipes will do, but I like dude wipes. I wish they were sponsoring us, but dude wipes.
Dude wipes.
Dude wipes is like a godsend. They're on
Wipes
Amazon. They're pretty good, and they're like slightly moist.
They're moist.
Towelettes that just work.
They work well.
They're good for cleaning anything and everything.
Bring some of your fave outfits because you're going to want to take a lot of pictures and you're going to want to look cool for Instagram, social media, Facebook. You know, your friends will want to be like you and be really cool too.
Another tip for keeping everything in the car clean, if your hands are clean, your stuff is clean. You're always rummaging through all your stuff. You're always grabbing things, moving stuff around. If your hands are clean, perfect, that's fine. Everything will be nice and organized, and it won't be all dirty and dusty. If you don't wash your hands, and let's say you're in the desert, all your stuff is gonna be dusty and dirty and sandy.
So, artistic vlogs. We're gonna be bringing you next level, the absolute best, top quality in video production. You won't want to miss this. We're making a movie. And my final tip, guys, stop lots. You don't need to get from point A to point B. Just enjoy your trip, stop lots, soak in the moment, explore, you know. You might see something that looks cool, just pull over and check it out.
Sometimes the best, okay, here's a final tip. Sometimes the best spots are the ones you weren't ever planning on visiting.
Exactly. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys will stay updated with our trip. We're gonna try to post as much as we can. So.
Please like and subscribe and suck my dick.
Suck our dicks. Bye. Love you. Peace and love, dudes. Happiness. Good vibes. Gay.